this case considered the issue of resulting trusts, and whether or not a security deposit that was provided as security for a lease agreement was held on trust for the benefit of the company that had provided the deposit once the lease payments had all been paid. In this case, a company provided money to a bank as security for another company in relation to lease payments it was making to the bank. The terms of the agreement were that any unpaid lease payments would be paid for by the security deposit, but that all interest accrued on the deposit would be held for the benefit of the company that had provided the security deposit. All of the lease payments were paid, and the company that provided the security deposit sought the return of the security deposit and the interest earned on the deposit. However, the bank had used the funds and invested it in other investments. The company argued that it should be entitled to trace the funds to the property purchased with these funds on the basis that the funds were held on trust. The central issue for the court was whether or not the security deposit was held on trust for the company that had provided the funds, and if they were entitled to trace the funds to investments that had been purchased with the deposit. The court ultimately